Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì yìí. Tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ tí ẹ ń bá mi pàdé rèé, ẹ bá mi like, ẹ comment, ẹ share, kẹ́ subscribe. Àwọn ohun tí ẹ máa wò lórí ìkànnì yìí, òun ni àwọn ohun tí ó ń lọ láwùjọ wa tó sì máa kọ́ wa lọ́gbọ́n. Ẹ máa bá mi ká lọ.
Òtítà ilé mo tún ti wọ̀lú ọmọ arẹ́rù mọ́sọ̀. Ayére mo tún ti dé ọmọ yẹkoyẹko. Ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ mo tún ti dé ọmọ yẹdòyẹdò. Mo kí gbogbo ọmọ kóòtù òjírebe. Nílé lóko lódò lẹ́yìn odi. Ire àti àlàáfíà Olódùmarè kó rọ̀gbà yí wa ká. A kú ọ̀sẹ̀ tuntun, ọ̀sẹ̀ yóò tù wá lára láṣẹ Èdùmàrè. Àkàndọ̀ra Awíkóńkó lórúkọ tèmi. Àjàó àrò ni mi Awíkóńkó aṣọ lójú ọlọ́rọ̀ bọ́lọ́rọ̀ bá gbọ́ kí n bàbá ńlá bàbá ọlọ́rọ̀ ó ṣe. Mo dé. Mo wá sọ̀rọ̀ lórí nǹkan tá a ti ń sọ. Ṣùgbọ́n tá a ti sọ tán. Torí pé tẹ́ni tó dé la rí, tẹ́ni tí ń bọ̀ àmọ́. Ọ̀rọ̀ lórí Sisi Alagbo kí ni nǹkan tuntun tó jẹ jáde ń bẹ̀, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan ló jẹ jáde ń bẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n tá a bá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa rẹ̀ kò ní kún tó, kò ní pé tó, kò ní dáa tó. Torí pé gbogbo nǹkan tá a lá ń ṣe àfọ̀mọ́ là ń fọ̀. Kò wá sẹ́ni tí kò ní dọ̀tí kankan láàrin wa. Gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ló jẹ́ pé bọ́wọ́ bá ti bà, bá a bá ti rọ́ṣẹ́ dandan ni ká fọ̀ ọ́. Àmọ́ fọ àwọn kan dí, àmọ́ fọ àwọn kan tí ó funfun ṣáṣáṣá, àwọn màá sì fọ àwọn kan tí ó funfun tí ó tún sá. Ṣùgbọ́n lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ti Sisi Alagbo, àwọn òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ kan jẹ jáde. Àwọn ìwà kan jẹ jáde tí kìí ṣèwọ ọmọlúàbí. Arábìnrin tó sì kẹta láàrin wọn, ó náà sọ̀rọ̀, kí lọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ, ẹ gbọ́. Èwo ló jẹ́ òótọ́ nínú tó sọ, èwo ló jẹ́ irọ́, èwo ló jẹ́ àbùmí, èwo ló jẹ́ àsọnù. Èwo ló jẹ́ àwíjàre lásán. Gbogbo rẹ̀ níbẹ̀ nú ọ̀rọ̀ Sisi Alagbo. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn, pàápàá jùlọ àwọn tó jẹ́ bloggers, ni wọ́n ti sọ̀rọ̀ kan àbí kejì lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Sisi Alagbo. Wọ́n fà á ó tó ra wọn, kódà wọ́n tún bára wọn jà lórí ẹ̀. Àwọn bloggers lókè òkun àti Nàìjíríà, Mewolaka, Ẹ̀sà bọ́ọ̀dù, oríṣiríṣi, ìyá ọ̀gbá gbogbo wọn náà sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ láàrin wọn fàfọ̀ mọ́, in what sense? Òun náà ni pé wọ́n láǹfààní àti fọ̀rọ̀wérọ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn èèyàn tó súnmọ́ àwọn èèyàn yìí. Arílára wọn, arábìnrin tó súnmọ́ Sisi Alagbo tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n jọ lọ ilé ìwé ni. Ọjọ́ oyé wa pé Sisi Alagbo gan tiẹ̀ ti gboyún láti ìgbà táwọn ti, bóyá kété táwọn jáde secondary school ni ló ti gboyún àkọ́kọ́ ni. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì ń lọ sọ wípé ọkọ kun òkú kọ́ńbọ̀dù gan nìyá Sisi Alagbo. Lórí pé ilé ìwé tí màmá yìí dálẹ̀ náà lòun àti Sisi Alagbo lọ. Okay? All well and good. Ṣé mọ̀ wípé bí gànà bá là lẹ́yìn látẹ́gùn fẹ́rẹ́fẹ́ fi yọ wọlé. Arábìnrin sọ wípé gbogbo nǹkan tán sọ ń pa Sisi Alagbo, òun ò lè sọ pé kankan jẹ́rọ́ ń bẹ̀. Torí wípé láti ilẹ̀ ló ti bẹ láàrin gbogbo àwọn. Pé ọ̀rọ̀ ìbálòpọ̀ nǹkan káwọn ó tiẹ̀ tó gbọ́njú ló ti di pòun tí ń gboyún tiẹ̀. All right. Ẹni ìjà òde bá ní pé rẹ̀ lọ́kùnrin lọ́dọ̀ tèmi. Eléyìí ń sọ̀rọ̀, oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ ló sọ. Àwọn tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ náà rí pé òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ló sọ àti pàápàá ọmọ Sisi Alagbo dáadáa torí pé dárúkọ yẹ. Níbẹ̀ yẹn kọ́ ni mo fẹ́ lọ. Níbi tí mo fẹ́ lọ lónìí làwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó jẹ jáde lẹ́yìn ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí. Could you believe pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn ní sọ pé ẹ wò ń tẹ́ sọ lórí ẹ̀ ti tó, ẹ mọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ń pa ẹ̀ mọ́, ẹ fi ilẹ̀, ta ni nǹkan ò ṣe rí, ta ni ò ṣe rú ẹ̀ rí, igbádógójì èrò wájà. Problem àwọn èèyàn ni pé bọ́n bá ti láìkí ẹnìkan wọn kì í fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ kàn án. Bóńtọ̀ ń bá ṣe nǹkan àlébù wọn ò ní fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ mẹ́nu lé. Kò dẹ̀ rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Inú èèyàn lè má dùn ṣùgbọ́n àwọn tí ó sọ ń pa rẹ̀ ó padà sọ ń pa rẹ̀ náà ni. Lára wọn láti rí a very good sister Yinka TNT tó náà ń defend Sisi Alagbo. Kò sàì gba backlash látọ̀dọ̀ àwọn bloggers ẹgbẹ́. Àwọn kan fẹ́ kan Yinka TNT mágbélébú. Oríṣiríṣi àwọn èèyàn ló sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀. Mewolaka àti Sisi Alagbo wọ́n ti ní interaction oríṣiríṣi, my sister, my kìíní kan igbádógóje. Àwọn obìnrin mọ bá ṣe ń ta ara wọn. Normally ọ̀rọ̀ tó bá ti jẹ́ máwọn obìnrin, èmi Àkàndọ̀ra Awíkóńkó mi fẹ́ sọ ń pa rẹ̀. But àwọn kankan náà ń bẹ tó jẹ́ pé ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ dáadáa wọn. Torí bọ́rọ̀ bá kan tọkùnrin, gbogbo wọn náà máa ń ṣàyọnu sọ́ọ̀sì. Bàbá wa ní kòtófò fìlà àwọn ará bí ó kàn kù pẹ́ kí lásán ni àti pàápàá ó ṣe inú ilé la díẹ̀ dẹ̀tú ọdẹnu bó bá ṣe bí àparò yóò bá yín oko lọ. So now máa establish àwọn nǹkan kan lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Sisi Alagbo. Máa play ọ̀rọ̀ tí lady yẹn sọ, lady tó sì kẹta yẹn. Ìgbà tá a kọ́kọ́ rí post kan pé 20,000 naira ló gbà, people were like, so torí 20,000 naira ló ṣe 3 sọ́ọ̀mù pẹ̀lú ọkọ ọlọ́kọ pẹ̀lú ìyàwó ẹgbẹ̀rún lọ́nà ogún náírà kí ni ọmọ gbọ̀pọ̀ gan o. So because àkáǹtì àbí receipt tán fi send owó sí lélẹ́yìí, you are successfully transferred 20,000 naira to orúkọ rẹ̀ Ayọ̀mídé Rachel àtòkọ kẹta, bank name opay account number ọ̀nbẹ̀ǹbẹ̀. Ó túmọ̀ sí pé account number yìí gangan bẹ́yìn gan bá fẹ́ tírísọ́ọ̀mù pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ gan nọ́mbẹ̀ náà ni ó jẹ́ ńgbà tó ti jẹ́ opay, calling number náà ni ó jẹ́ àbí whatsapp number kẹ́ ẹ mọ́ bá sọ̀rọ̀ lókù. N tí mo rí ń bẹ̀ ni thank you baby. Ẹnìyẹn dẹ̀ béèrè are you home? Ó wá ní I'm not home. Are you people back? What time are we going out? So what time are you going out? So now ó fi all send the video ẹ̀ ránṣẹ́. Then ẹni tí ń sọ̀rọ̀ that is ọkọ Sisi Alagbo ni wọ́n jọ interact lórí WhatsApp if I'm not mistaken. So nínú fídíò tí lady yẹn send ọkọ Sisi Alagbo wá dáhùn is sunshine and more waiting at the car lot. Okay, let me come there now. What is your plan for tomorrow? Okay, ọkọ Sisi Alagbo àti lady yẹn náà ni picture wọn lélẹ́yìí lára ẹ̀ náà ni wọ́n send. Okay, oh yeah, do you mean I took you to paradise with my dick? Ẹ mọ̀ túmọ̀ eléyìí sọ́kàn rẹ̀. Ìyẹn wá ní yes now, didn't you see the way I was mourning? Ìyẹn bó ń ṣe ń fún ní sand ẹ̀. Eléyìí wá sọ pé don't worry, I will give you fresh yogurt today. Ìyẹn wá ní if you want this to be sweeter, do you know what you do to ginger me and keep me going? Ìyẹn wá ní okay ń bọ̀ o, ṣé the same date ní ṣá? Ń bọ̀ jẹ́ ń wo time o. Ìyẹn wá ní okay nìyẹn fi wá send ṣé ìgbà yẹn lọ́yẹ̀sẹ̀ wá send owó sí ni. Àwọn sáà lọ́mọ sáré járe wọ́n sá ti da gbogbo ẹ̀rú mọ́ra wọn lójú. So then interaction lady yẹn àti ọkọ Sisi Alagbo nù. Now kí ni Yínká TNT gbé jáde lénìí àbí tó gbé jáde ní tiẹ̀. Ó ní even ó post picture Sisi Alagbo, even Angel Gabriel was nearly overcome by darkness before Angel Michael intervened to rescue him. Bí ẹni pé gbogbo wọn jọ wà lọ́rùn gbà tí àwọn áńgẹ́lì rescue ara wọn. Similarly, David's transgressions did not prevent God from honoring him, keeping him close to his heart. Ibi nǹkan mọ̀ kọ́lẹ̀ fún ìmọ̀nù o. Ṣé bí tí Bíbélì sọ ni pé ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀ kan kì yóò rí ojú rere Olúwa. Gbogbo àwọn ìwà alábi tí David hùn bó bá jẹ́ pé ìwà alábi jẹ́ kéèyàn rọrùn wọ̀ kò yẹ kó rọrùn wọ̀ rárá. So gbogbo nǹkan tán kọ́lẹ̀ fún pé ó tún rojú rere Olúwa ta lọ́lọ́run sọ fún gbójú rojú rere òun. Ẹ mọ̀ tanra yín bẹ̀. And bringing the saviour through his lineage. Saviour wo? Àwọn wo ló sèfù? Tá bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Solomon kò sèfù Nàìjíríà, kò sèfù wa nílẹ̀ Ifẹ̀, kò sèfù wọn Ìbàdàn, kò sèfù wọn l'Ékòó, kò sèfù ran ọmọ káàrọ̀ òjíire kankan as far as I'm concerned. Kò sèfù wọn ní India, kò sèfù wọn China, kò sèfù wọn l'Amẹ́ríkà, kò sèfù wọn London, kò sèfù anybody. So Solomon remains unmatched in wisdom. Ta ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀? Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn lọ́gbọ́n ju Solomon lọ. Elon Musk gbọ́n ju Solomon lọ. Because Solomon ò invent anything. Àwọn tí báwọn èèyàn ló invent mọ́tò. Kaná invent mọ́tò, wọ́n invent mọ́tò ńgbà tí Solomon wà láyé ni. Oríṣiríṣi ọkọ̀ ni Solomon gan ìbá gùn fún rẹ̀. So kí ló invent? Wọ́n kọ sílẹ̀ pé ọ̀dájọ́ tọkọtì àbí ìyálé àti ìyàwó kan ń jà, ìkan sùn lé ọmọ ẹ̀, ìkejì ọmọ kejì wọ́n ní bò nìkan ṣe ẹnìkan ní kí wọ́n pín, ẹnìkan ní kí wọ́n mọ̀ pé anybody can just do that. Bóyá àwọn ará àgbàni lọ́gọ̀ tójú wọn ọ̀la tí wọn ò lóye majority èèyàn can just do that and do even better than that nowadays. So ìyẹn lè wá establish lè wá fi rò pé kò sẹ́ni tó gbọ́n ju Solomon lọ, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn gbọ́n ju Solomon lọ mẹ́rin. Àwọn tí wọ́n ń kọ script movie tẹ́wò tẹ́tọ̀ máa sunkún ṣé wọn ọ̀gbọ́n ẹ lọ́wọ́ bí jókòó jàre. So unmatching wisdom to this day irọ́ ni, that was then, and despite his many failings he still find mercy from the Almighty. Àánú kí ni Solomon rí gbà lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run, ta ló mọ̀ ọ́? Ṣé rí lineage ẹ̀ kan ní Israel tán sọ pé okay o lineage Solomon lélẹ́yìí àbí lineage David lélẹ́yìí tí wọ́n wá ń jọ́lá bàbá wọn títí dì sin. Go and sit down these people. Ẹ lọ wá bí jókòó jọ. Eniola, God has placed Michael like figure in your life to support you, and I believe I am one of them. You shall rise again. Kò sẹ́ni tó sọ pé kẹ́ni tó ṣubú ọmọ dìde, ṣùgbọ́n kí ló gbé èèyàn ṣubú mátà, ọ̀nà wo ni ó gbà dìde mátà. Èmi ó establish case than that according to àwọn ìwádìí allegedly Sisi Alagbo yàtọ̀ sólóso. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn tí ń ta àgbo fún gan ló dàbí pé wọ́n ń bá a sùn tí wọ́n bá ti láìkẹ́. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn ni wọ́n ń bá a ṣe kíni, náà ń bá a ṣe tòtò mẹ́lẹ́tò together. So máa establish eléyìí nínú conversation àti ẹnìkan tó fẹ́ ràgbó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Ẹni hello, that was Friday, October 5, 2025. Ẹni hello, I consulted you about premature ejaculation on TikTok and you gave me your number. Sisi Alagbo ni okay, the full combo is 75,000 naira and it is 3 sets. Ìyẹn wá ní oh okay, but the problem now is I don't know if this is truly effective because I have spent a lot on apps and they are not working. Èmi ò mọ̀ bóyá eléyìí tẹ́ sọ bóyá yóò ṣiṣẹ́ o, torí pọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ mo ti rà sẹ́yìn mo sì ti ná ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ owó tí ò sí yàtọ̀ kankan. Sisi Alagbo wá ní orúkọ ìkásá wà nínú bí WhatsApp. Ó ní I can assure you about this sir, and you can see I always post reviews from people. You don't have to be worried. That is one message. Another message, that is why it is 3 sets and it will and cure whatever is troubling you. Another message, and also you can test it with me if you can pay my rate. Can you just imagine that? And someone is defending that. Lóòótọ́ a lè sọ pé ààrẹ ni, but problem mi pẹ̀lú àwọn èèyàn ni pé they see everybody as their role model. Àbí bóyá lé alámẹ́jà méjì ni Sisi Alagbo ṣí. Ẹni bí bóyá last year or this year tí gbogbo èèyàn congratulate ẹ pé iṣẹ́ àgbo yìí náà ló sì tà tó fi rí bẹ́ẹ̀. No. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn olórí òṣèré tíátà tó jóbìnrin ni wọ́n ń kọ́lé láàrin gẹ́nẹ́ sí Lẹ́kí tí wọ́n ń gun mọ́tò bọ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀. Even káyó tó dáyé YouTube ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn ní dọ́gbọ́n sí mẹ́rin ṣé fíìmù náà lọ́tà tó bẹ́ẹ̀. Majority àwọn tó jẹ́ ọ̀gá àwọn tó jẹ́ colleague wọn máa sọ pé ṣé fíìmù táwọn jọ ń ṣe yìí náà ṣá pé ọ̀wẹ́ Ọlọ́run ló bless kálukú, Ọlọ́run ló mọ bó ṣe ń ran kálukú lọ́wọ́. So kálukú mọ bó ṣe ń dọ́gbọ́n sí. Àgbo mélòó ló wá ń tà 75,000 naira, ṣé kò ní re gbòógì padà, ṣé kò ní sẹ́ndẹ̀ sáwọn tó ní? Nǹkan sínú 75,000 naira náà ni ó ti sẹ́ndẹ̀ sáwọn tó ní. So what are you talking about? Ìyẹn wá ní what is your location? Ó ní I'm currently in Lagos. Ẹni okay, I'll update you. I will update you. Now ibi tí mo fẹ́ kẹ́ pick ń bẹ̀ ni pé and also you can test it with me if you can pay my rate. Kí ni rate ẹ̀? That means you're charging wọn exorbitantly, and lo and behold majority náà ló fẹ́ bá celebrity àbí public figure ẹni tó popular lórí social media, majority èèyàn náà ló fẹ́ bá wọn sùn. Wọ́n kàn fẹ́ fi mọ́ mark register lásán ni. They don't have anything to do with them. So can you imagine that? Ngbà tẹ́nìkan bá wá jáde tí wá ń defend wọn, because lo and behold ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn náà ni wọ́n like ẹni tó post eléyìí ó ní note pay attention to the red part I circled. Ìyẹn níbi tí mo kà yẹn ó ní this WhatsApp chat is from December 5 between Sisi Alagbo and the customer. The customer contacted her for a herbal remedy to help with premature ejaculation, which causes a man to finish very quickly during sex. The man asked Sisi Alagbo how he could be sure the herbal agbo was effective, since he had already spent a lot of money on apps that didn't work. Her response was, "You can test it with me if you can pay my rate." From this response, you can see that her reply was highly inappropriate and unprofessional, meaning she's into prostitute not today. She has been selling herself to different men, all in the name of app sellings. Though it is her private life, can someone like Sisi Alagbo be on social media and still be the one mocking her iyale? Never. When Esabod said she's not selling any apps, you'd think it's a joke. Now the truth is here. She's a pure olosho kobo. So before you defend people, know what to say. Now, so anyways, àwọn lára comment àwọn èèyàn jàre eléyìí ni, but why no pics for the DP of Sisi Alagbo? Eléyìí ni, what is your own in this conversation? Leave her alone, she owns her life. Eléyìí ni, yes sir, that doesn't mean anything, that's market strategy. Can you imagine? That's market strategy. tó bá fẹ́ jẹ́ market strategy, ìsídà kí Sisi Alagbo sọ pé you can test it with me. Àwọn tó ń tàgbó máa ń sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Yorùbá ní àṣàgbò iṣẹ́ báyìí tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ẹ lè dánwò lára mi, àwàdà náà fi ṣe, because wọ́n ṣe ń sọ wọ́n ti ń kiri ọjà wọn lọ, kì í ṣe pé wọ́n dúró, kì í ṣe pé tán bá béèrè pé if you can pay my rate, another person will ask them èló lówó ẹ̀, èló níwọ̀ gangan, èló ni wọ́n fẹ́ rà ọ́. Tán bá dẹ̀ nìkan ṣe wọ́n dẹ̀ dájọ́ fúnra wọn, ó sì gba nọ́mbà ara wọn. Dídò lóko, fífà lẹ́pọ̀n, kò síbi tí wọ́n ti ṣe, kò sí kàrámọ̀ kankan bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n ká mọ pákéjì tí ó yẹ ká pákéjì, ká mọ pọ́n tí ó yẹ ká pọ́n légbìnrín yẹn ló wà somehow irritating. Let's be frank, let's be straightforward, let's be direct, let's be factual in whatever we want to do in life. So ẹ̀yin táwọn ọmọ kéékèèké tí ń bọ̀ lẹ́yìn ọmọ rí gẹ́gẹ́ bí role model náà ni, role model kọ́ ó kọ orin Pasuma ni. Eléyìí ni come and see, eléyìí ni the reason himself say after all these thrift, perfume and real estate babes online vendors, na all these herbal seller dey run OS on low pass. Yorùbá people pẹ̀lú rádaràda ẹ fi ọmọ yìí sílẹ̀. Eléyìí ni online vendors na all these, okay. Eléyìí ni chai, people often say so that agbo sellers do such low key. Nǹkan try láti sọ ni pé àwọn tó ń tàgbo wọ́n máa ń sọ lóṣó mọ́. Eléyìí wá ní the 3-song video sweet o. Eléyìí ni, of course now, when you are double sure that the medicine you sell is effective, you boast about it with all you got. Can you imagine that? Nítorí wàá fẹ́ boast nípa ẹ̀ náà lọ́wọ́ àṣọ pé ẹ wá dánwò lára mi tẹ́ bá ti lè sanwó mi. Àwọn náà dẹ̀ san, wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣe, wọ́n dẹ̀ kọjá lọ nira dáadáa nínú àǹbá kálẹ̀. All right, now nínú eléyìí tí Yínká TNT tó ń post, àwọn kan náà wọ́n make comment. Eléyìí ni best of the same feather. Eléyìí ni, but remember the Bible says sinners will not go unpunished. Apostle Paul was duly punished for all his wrong deeds. So also David, Solomon, and up to today, mankind are still reaping the fruits of the sin of Eve and Adam. So let her eat the unripened fruit she planted. Lo and behold, kò sí ayé kankan, kò sẹ́ni kankan láyé tí ń jìyà ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ Adam àti Éfà o. Ẹ má dá lúrú pọ̀ mọ́ sàpá o. Adam àti Éfà tó bá jẹ́ pé wọ́n wáyé ń tòótọ́, wọ́n ti jìyà wọn ti lọ. Because tó bá jẹ́ pé gbogbo ayé ní ń jìyà Adam àti Éfà, àwọn ìlú kan ò ní lókìkí, àwọn ìlú kan ò ní dá débi pé àwọn kan mọ̀ pòǹgbẹ láti lọ ọbẹ̀, àwọn ìlú kan ò ní bàjẹ́ débi pé àwọn èèyàn kan mọ̀ rìbúùkù láti lọ ọbẹ̀. Ẹnìkan kò jí ẹnìkankan, ìyà olórí ńlá ń jẹ lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà. Àwọn orílẹ̀‐èdè kan dá tí ó jẹ́ pé yọ̀fẹ́ wù yàn lọ. Kí ló dé táwọn China, kí ló dé tí wọn ò jẹ̀yà Adam àti Éfà? Kí ló dé tí Japan ò jẹ̀yà Adam àti Éfà? Wọ́n ń build oríṣiríṣi ọkọ̀ ayọ́kẹ́lẹ́ tó jẹ́ pé ẹ wò báyìí tó sì máa kán lẹ́nu yín. Wọ́n ń build different comforts almost every blessed day. Tó bá ra mọ́tò mi yóò dàbí ẹnu pé inú jet ló wà. Bó bá ra mọ́tò mi kò ní yàtọ̀ sínú odidi ilé. Nígbà tó bá wọnú mọ́tò bọ́ọ̀sì tó ti ń rí room pẹ̀lú large set of bed, tó ń rí sitting room, tó ń rí kitchen, tó ń rí toilet nínú mọ́tò. sáwọn eléyìí wá ń jìyà ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kankan sàn mọ̀ pé nìkan ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kankan ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kí wá ló ń tọ̀ ń ṣẹ̀ ọgbà ápù jẹ ápù tí gbogbo wa ti sọ ló ń jẹ lónìí so ẹ lọ wá bí jókòó jàre tí wọ́n kọ́ lẹ̀ fún ẹni eléyìí ní defending this woman is just like defending APC in Nigeria kò easy Sisi Alagbo it is well Aunty Yinka well done ma eléyìí ní amen no he without sin should cast the first stone no na video we see plenty dey outside na dem dey judge paasi oríṣiríṣi eléyìí ní medicine after death eléyìí ní my home be say engineer should marry the lady involved because they can't leave her for any man ọkùnrin ìwo náà ni ó fẹ́ and meanwhile àwọn ọkùnrin kan náà ni ó padà end up sí lọ́dọ̀ because social media doesn't forget but social media also forget easily kí ni problem social media ni pé ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ míì lè ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin ọ̀sẹ̀ tá a wáyé tí yóò borí ọ̀rọ̀ Sisi Alagbo mọ́lẹ̀ tó tún máa jẹ́ talk of the town táwọn yóò tún máa gbépò yẹnu yóò die down meanwhile majority àwọn ọkùnrin ni wọ́n ráyè fún social media majority àwọn èèyàn máa ń pa nǹkan tá à ń sọ yìí wọ́n gbọ́n pa ẹ̀ wọ́n sì ní gbọ́n pa ẹ̀ títí tí ó fi rùn tán irú wọn tó bá fọ́ọ̀lù sí wọn lọ́wọ́ ìyàwó tuntun wọn rí gbé ẹ̀ ń bá wá rí lọ́dọ̀ wọn gbà ń bí báyìí lọ́mọ ìrìn ìlànà sí okay eléyìí we are already in the generation that favorite is override right in the era that few people defending right but many defending their favorite even regardless of what's in the favorite it is well so that is it torí ìfẹ́ torí ọ̀rẹ́ torí relationship torí association ni majority fi ń defend àwọn èèyàn kan kì í ṣe nítorí pé wọ́n ṣe ń tó dáa kéèyàn ó defend Sisi Alagbo lórí ilé ìtọ́sẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí ń tọ́ òun nírònú she won't be the first and the last no be this same internet they will forget in a couple of weeks and everyone will move on eléyìí certain ntẹ́ni ìsọ certain tọ́rọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ló ti ṣẹlẹ̀ sẹ́yìn á ti gbàgbé ẹ̀ so á ti gbàgbé ẹ̀ á gbàgbé ilé náà chapter ni ó máa close eléyìí ni still wondering where it was written that Angel Michael and Gabriel prevented one from falling ẹni tí ó fọ́ọ̀lù náà ni o eléyìí ni she want to trend and she don dey trend now eléyìí ni she will surely rise again but the falling breast can never and never rise again olóyè burúkú ọmọ ẹlẹ́ni yóò ìní dárúkọ o eléyìí ni yes the falling breast shall rise again I concur eléyìí ni no be you teach them all the orí burúkú damage control kò work ìjàre eléyìí ni if you don't have problem you won't know your enemies some people are waiting for such opportunity to ridicule her and bring her down may God guide us to avoid playing to the hands of our enemies can you imagine the set of people that are on social media kẹ́nìkan sọ wípé wọ́n ti ń dúró de ṣubú ẹ̀ ni ṣé wọ́n ń dúró de ṣubú ẹ̀ sáwọn náà bá wọn póòsì fídíò tuntun mẹ́lẹ́tò ni nbí fúnra wọn wọ́n póòsì ẹ̀ fúnra wọn àwọn mẹ́ta ló sáwà nù lé agbọ́n ń sẹ́ oyin ń sẹ́ ojú olóko déédéé wù ni léèdì kẹta yẹn òun kọ́ ló post ẹ̀ ìyẹn certain ìdá Sisi Alagbo ọkọ Sisi Alagbo ló post ẹ̀ Sisi Alagbo lọ́kàn ló post ẹ̀ ọkọ ní Sisi Alagbo ló post ẹ̀ àwọn yẹn wá ń béèrè wípé ṣé bí Sisi Alagbo ni recorder ó ní cameraman àwọn àrùn tó bá jẹ́ cameraman ṣe bí fóònù ọkọ ẹ̀ ní kámẹ́rà tán fi rìkọ́ọ̀dù ẹ̀ ń lè kù lọ́lọ́bẹ ẹ̀ ní fóònù ló lè rí ti ń bẹ́ẹ̀ lédi yẹn dẹ̀ ló ń bẹ̀ wọ́n pé kán delete ẹ̀ wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ pé wọ́n delete ẹ̀ bóyá ṣe làwọn ẹni ẹlẹ́ni delete ẹ̀ sínú trash ńgbà tí ọmọ ọlọ́mọ lọ tán wọ́n restore ẹ̀ padà gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ́ máa gbọ́ lẹ́nu arábìnrin yìí arábìnrin tó sì kẹta nù wọn náà sọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá lọ wọ́n bọ̀ wọ́n ní agbẹ́jọ́ ẹnìkan dàgbà òṣìkà àtọkọ àtìyàwó ẹlẹ́rẹ̀gbẹ́ alákọ̀ọ́rí wọ́n tì í síra wọn ìwọ ló post ẹ èmi mo post ẹ ìwọ ló post ẹ èmi mo post ẹ ní ọkọ ní Sisi Alagbo ó ṣe mistake post ẹ sórí story ẹ ni ó wá delete ẹ padà unfortunately àwọn kan ti share ẹ fúnra wọn sọ̀rọ̀ nù nígboro ẹnu ní ẹ̀ máa ń ṣe mistake post story ok kò sí ẹjá sọ pé kò sí ní tí ò lè ṣẹlẹ̀ then kí ni purpose tán fi keep ẹ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn jẹ́ kó àmọ̀ wípé wọ́n ń ta ni gbébẹ̀ gangan ni wọ́n ti ń rí owó rọ̀gùnrọ̀gùn tán fi ń ṣe gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tán ń ṣe and again ẹni tán ń pè lọ́kọ Sisi Alagbo kì í ṣàkọ́kọ́ ẹ̀ kì í ṣèkejì tòdí ẹsẹ̀ ń pé ìyàwó tọ́kọ́ fẹ́ gan bí ṣe máa ń rìkọ́ọ̀dù ìbíǹbí ẹ̀ tí ọmọ post ẹ̀ sórí social media tàbí kọ́ mọ fi threaten ẹni yẹn nínú àlàyé tí ọkọ Sisi Alagbo ṣe pé ẹnìkan dé ti download ẹ̀ ó wá mẹ́sẹ̀gì àwọn ó wá inbox àwọn bóun fẹ́ gbowó lọ́wọ́ àwọn nǹkan rádaràda ní gbogbo ẹ̀ kò sí lè tó iṣẹ́ ń bẹ̀ ẹ já gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu ọmọdébìnrin yìí God bless you.
So I didn't record it. I didn't even know that that's what she wanted to tell me. So who leaked the video? Who leaked the video at first? It was the husband. He said he wanted to mistakenly send it to his channel, his Facebook channel. So he now sent it to his. He wanted to send it to himself, then he sent it to his Facebook channel. I now told him that boy, I did not ask you people to make any video. And when I caught them making the video, I questioned them. They said they are not saving it, and I asked them to delete it. They promised me they deleted it.
Ẹ já bèrè lọ́wọ́ òpònú tó rò pé gbogbo alójú òpònú yìí náà nísìnyí ọ sọ pé kí wọ́n rìkọ́ọ̀dù fídíò kí wọ́n sọ fún ọ tí ọkọ fi ń bá ọ sùn níwájú ìyàwó ẹ̀ àdéhùn kí lẹ́jọ́ ṣe ó yẹ kí gbogbo wọn mọ̀ náà n tó fẹ́ gbìyànjú àìsọ fún wa ni pé wọ́n lo nǹkan fóun pẹ̀lú ń tá a rí òun wọ́n lo nǹkan fẹ́ nìyẹn kan o kedere ojú ń yọ àlẹ́ ní gbogbo ń jọ gbádùn ẹ̀ ní ń tẹ́ ẹjọ́ ṣe dáadáa wọ́n lo nǹkan fún ọ ṣe wá mọ̀ láti fi ọwọ́ kọfà orí ọyàn rẹ kí ló mú ọ lo sẹ́ǹsì ń bẹ̀rù ojú ẹ̀ tá a rí wọn lo nǹkan kan fún ọ ojú ẹ̀ tán bá lo nǹkan fún ojú rẹ̀ ọmọ bíi tì kò ní mọ̀ tán fi ṣe ntọ́ ń yáta àìmọ̀ ṣàgọ̀ àbáwòrò pé gbogbo wa ní iléèwé ǹdèrè.
Showed me that they deleted it, and in the morning they now told me that they have something to tell me. Hold on, I was not paid any money.
Ó ní wọ́n sanwó kankan fóun o ó ní wọ́n sọ fóun páwọn ti delete ẹ o àárọ̀ ọjọ́ kejì ni wọ́n pè ń páwọn fẹ́ bá òun sọ̀rọ̀ o.
Wọ́n drug me, wọ́n ti báyìí mi jẹ́ I went to do my school díẹ̀ ní o school ni mo lọ ṣe ń bẹ̀ o so she asked me to stay in her house that since her place is closer to my school I did not know that they have other intentions. I don't know that they want to use me for exploitation. I never knew o and now I cannot go to school again. My business has gone down because I'm just a young girl starting my life. I was selling skincare before I said let me go and continue my school. I'm just 23 years old. I'm just starting my life. This thing has made me lose.
Ṣé ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ ọlọ́mọ 23 years old lòun iléèwé lòun lọ wọ́n sọ fóun pé káwọn ọmọ kó máa wá gbé lọ́dọ̀ wọn torí pé ilé àwọn súnmọ́ iléèwé tiẹ̀ gbogbo àwọn nǹkan yìí èwo ló jẹ́ ẹ̀rọ ńbẹ̀ èwo lójú òótọ́ ńbẹ̀ á ti ṣe á mọ̀ báyìí.
My relationship of 4 years o I don't have anything again. My parents I don't even know how to face them. I'm very very disappointed.
Now listen to her nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ó ti ruin relationship 4 years òun sóun òru tẹ́lẹ̀ ọmọ 23 years been in a relationship for 4 years that means ó ti wà ní relationship at the age of 19 ọ̀tọ̀ ní tó yẹ kó kó bó wọn gbájúmọ̀ ọ̀tọ̀ ní tán gbájúmọ̀ iṣẹ́ àfàárọ̀ ṣe kí ni téèyàn fẹ́ jẹ́ láyé lọ́mọdé kọ́kọ́ mójútó kì í ṣe girlfriend oko máa ń kó báyàn òbó máa ń bò yàn mọ́lẹ̀ ni tẹ́m yóò bò ọ̀mọ́lẹ̀ ni tẹ́m oko ti kó bọ̀ báyìí àbí ọ̀wà tán at the age of 19 ìwọ náà ti ń lóko káàkiri iṣẹ́ ọkọ̀ ó sì wà níléèwé ó tí mọ̀ tó fẹ́ jẹ́ ó tí mọ̀ tó fẹ́ jẹ́ ó tí mọ̀ tó fẹ́ dà ó tí mọ̀ tó fẹ́ ṣe láyé ó tí mọ̀ bó fẹ́ gbélé ayé ẹ ní Nàìjíríà tí ò ní plan fẹ́ nìkankan Nàìjíríà tí ò ní plan fọ́dọ̀ kò ní plan fọ́mọdé kò ní plan fárúgbó kò ní plan fóbìnrin kò ní plan fọ́kùnrin kò ní plan fẹ́ nìkankan how do you want to live your life? ọ̀wá náà ti bà ayé ẹ jẹ́ ayé ẹ ò tí ì bàjẹ́ o second hand bí bàjẹ́ ló ẹ̀sẹ̀ wáyé o.
All right, the question is that did you know about this video, yes or no?
When I knew about the video, I asked them to delete it. They did not even tell me that they were making video. When I caught her making it,
No. You can't tell us that. Ngbà tó rí pọ́n rìkọ́ọ̀dù fídíò ká ní argument wà ní. Àwa náà bá sọ pé àyín tí wọ́n ṣe ọ̀dá o ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n kọ́kọ́ lọ píìkì ẹ̀ láti bí ojú ìyámọ̀pó rẹ̀ níbi tí olùjogijogi Akeem àbíkíní ń jẹ́ ẹnjìníà tí ọmọ nǹkan kan ẹ́ńjìnì ṣùgbọ́n tó mọ okó ẹ́ńjìnì sínú òbò ẹ má bínú ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi o bá a ṣe lè pé nu jàre láti ibi tó ti kì bọ́ tí awọ ẹpọn rẹ̀ súnkì tán bá sọ pé kíní lójo kó náà ń bá wíbẹ̀ okó lójo kò sí nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ ṣe sí tí ò ní yọ sáré wọnú ni bí orí ìjàpá wọ́n píìkì fídíò láti bẹ yẹn wọ́n gbé wá síbi ojú ẹ lẹ́ẹ̀mejì nǹkan tá a lè rí ń bẹ̀ náà ni pé ó fọwọ́ kọ́fà orí ọmú rẹ̀ so ojú rẹ ò le inú ò bí ọ nǹkan kan ọwọ́ àìsè sọ wípé ìgbà tó mọ̀ ń pa fídíò ó sọ fún wọn pé kán delete ẹ̀ no ìwọ gangan gbára dúró tán fi rìkọ́ọ̀dù gbogbo fídíò tán fẹ́ rìkọ́ọ̀dù tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ ṣe damage control ní bọ́n ṣe damage control kò lè work ní gbogbo lọ́dọ̀ gbogbo wa àmọ́ tó real àmọ́ tó jẹ́ fake ká ló lejú nìsín a sọ pé àkíní ò dùn mẹ́ni inú o ká ló argue pé kí ló dé tẹ́ fi ń ṣe no ó túmọ̀ sí pé wọ́n ti bá ọ sọ tẹ́lẹ̀ kan tó record ọ wà wíà kan tó record o lè mọ́ wà wíà lálákọ̀ọ́kọ́ o bóyá gba tó jiyàn nǹkan wọ́n wá sọ fún ọ pé àmọ́ wọ́ọ́rí nǹkan báyìí ẹ wá negotiate wọ́n wá ẹ̀sẹ̀ record full one tó gbára dúró àbí á play ẹni kò sí play YouTube ó bàjẹ́ wọ́n yọ kíní wà.
No, she said it's just their fantasy. And you know that before then they threatened me already, and she promised that she's not saving the video.
It's just their fantasy. Wọ́n kàn like ẹ̀ ni wọ́n kàn fẹ́ ṣe ni. Ìbéèrè mi náà ni wípé báwo ló ṣe descend so low, stoop so low, débi pé ọkùnrin fẹ́ bá ẹ lájọṣepọ̀ lójú ìyàwó ilé ẹ̀ gbogbo yín jọ wà níbi ìbí Ọlọ́run. Òye yé mi pé kò lè déédéé ṣẹlẹ̀ láyé táyé òfin dọ̀run negotiation máa síwájú ọ̀rọ̀ dídùn kan ó ti kọ́kọ́ síwájú calculation kan ó ti kọ́kọ́ síwájú kéèyàn ó tó lè gbà because òye yé mi pé kìí ṣe pé ìyàwó ẹ̀ sọ pé ọkọ ń fẹ́ fẹ́ ọ o ọkọ ò sọ pé òun fẹ́ fẹ́ ọ o wọ́n kàn fẹ́ kẹjọ ya sọ́ọ̀mù 3 gbogbo yín dẹ̀ wá ń bí ìbí Ọlọ́run ẹ̀ tún wá rìkọ́ọ̀dù fídíò ẹ̀ negotiation ti wà ń bẹ̀ kò síbẹ̀ yẹn fẹ́ sọ látàárọ̀ ìdọ̀la èmi àkàndọ̀ra kòǹkò ò ní gbàgbọ́.
So in the morning, I think when the whole thing happened was when they were now begging me that anything I want to do, that anyway I want to take the man to, I should take him to the last class is going to sell his car to sort the damages. I was just crying that what is car.
Now ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí wọ́n ń sọ ìgbà tó dàárọ̀ ọjọ́ kejì tí gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ ti bọ́ọ̀sì tí yáwá ti gáàsì tí gbogbo nǹkan ti dàrú tí gbòòrò ti dàrú òun wá ní ní táwọn máa ṣe ni pé mọ́tò Akeem o àwọn ọ̀tá àwọn ò fi kí ọ damages nǹkan meanwhile àwọn kan dẹ̀ ń gbèjà wọn pé Sisi Alagbo lówó lọ́wọ́ o òpònú kan lòun sẹ́ndì 100,000 sí pé Sisi Alagbo broke wọn ò ló ń jẹ́ ńlé kan fi ránjẹ sílé why táwọn èèyàn live fake life àwa tá a live fake life ẹ tún complain nípa wa àwọn èèyàn kan dẹ̀ ń live fake life ń lẹ́ engineer àti kò mọ ṣọ́ọ̀bù lásán rí.
To my name that I've been building for years. I used to suffer before I make any money that I have. Everybody, that's why my name has not even gone far because I don't do it online. I don't come online for validation. I'm just making my money underneath. So this was what she said. She called me. She said, "How are you? You know I like you so much." I said, "Yes, ma." She now said, "My husband too like you." I said, "Thank you, ma." She now said, "There's something I want to tell you, but it's a secret." I now said, that was that. She now said that if I hear that I should promise that I'm not going to tell anybody about it. I said, what is this? I mean, I was already feeling.
Can you imagine? Mo sọ ní ìsìn náà negotiation kọ́kọ́ máa wáyé ọ̀rọ̀ dídùn ọkọ̀ọ̀kọ́ wáyé ńgbà yìí ṣe pé wọ́n déédéé gbé ọ láti inú yàrá rẹ lólójóńtó àtọkọ àti àwọn fọ̀ lápọ́n fọ̀ lẹ́sẹ̀ wọn gbé ọ jù sórí bẹ́ẹ̀dì wọn wá fọ̀ nítan wọn wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní kó bá sùn fún ọ no fúnra lára ẹ lọ wọ ọbẹ̀ fúnra lára ẹ lọ bọ́sọ fúnra lára ẹ lọ tẹ́dílẹ̀ fúnra lára ẹ lọ gbà á sára gbogbo eléyìí damage control yìí kò wọ́ọ̀kì débi kan.
Because I saw them as mother and father figure. I never even thought that they were going to tell me anything like that. So I understood that, okay, I need to keep it.
tó o bá rí wọn gẹ́gẹ́ bí father and mother figure ńgbà tán wàá fi lọ yẹn ṣé no ṣe sọ fún wọn ọ̀nà threat yẹn kò sí threat nìkan kan bẹ̀ náà tán bá threat yẹn lọ́jọ́ yẹn wàá dẹ̀ mú mọ́ra tó bá jálẹ̀ ni tó bá dárọ̀ ọjọ́ kejì wàá dẹ̀ jáde kúrò ńbẹ̀ tán bá dẹ̀ threat yẹn wàá dẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ wọn fáwọn èèyàn bó ṣe pé káwọn parent ẹ àbáwọn ẹbí ẹ kan wá bọ kẹrù ẹ kúrò nínú ilé wọn ń fagídí lé kinní tí ò lè nà ó àwa ò lè jẹrọ tó ń pa fún wa nà ó ìrí ni mọ́ fún wa lè rí jẹ àwa máa túdà àti túdà nù fún orí ẹ ò pé.
Tell me, I promise you I will keep it. So she now said, and as she's telling me like this, I cannot say no because I've heard about it. And I said, what is
Can you
that? She now
imagine?
told me,
As she was telling me I cannot say no because I've heard about it. Kí ni tí mo wá ń sọ? So kí wàá lo tó ń try láti sọ fún wa? Wọ́n sọ fún ọ sọ pé no, that means acceptance. Not say no no means acceptance ó ti gbanú fúnra lára ẹ ló sì fara gbà á ọ̀ká nǹkan mọ́ra o ọ̀ká nǹkan mọ́ra 23 lórí rùmùrùmù báwọn ọ̀ká nǹkan mọ́ra ìlẹ́jàre Akeem olókólọ́ Sisi Alagbo ọ̀ká nǹkan mọ́.
She's interested in me, that she and her husband, that there is this thing that they used to do outside, that they've done it to other people. They said there's one of my friends abroad that they used to do it together before, and she does not want any social media dragging, that if I go outside and go and talk, that she's going.
Now gẹ́gẹ́ bí àlàyé tọ́mọ yìí ṣe wọ́n sọ fún pé àwọn tí ń ṣe ti pẹ́ ṣùgbọ́n ẹni táwọn jọ máa ń ṣe ó ti travel out kò sí Nàìjíríà mọ́ àwọn òsìfẹ́ nǹkan táwọn ó ṣe tẹ́nìkan mọ̀ fà wọ́n lórí social media àwọn mọ̀ párí ayé ọ̀padà fà wọ́n ju báwọn ṣe lérò lọ gan báyìí àwọn òdẹ̀fẹ́ nǹkan táwọn ó ṣe táwọn èèyàn mọ̀ fà wọ́n lórí social media so àwọn fẹ́ ṣe ní bòńkẹ́lẹ́ káwọn ọjọ́ ṣe lábẹ́lẹ̀ káwọn èèyàn mọ̀ kọ́ ọ̀rá jẹ́ síbẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n kí náà promise pé wọ́n ó fún kó tó àlá òru ẹ̀ ṣó náà ṣe for fun ni.
Make sure that she ruined my life, that she spoils my life, and as I've heard about it, so I was just living in fear. Everything I did is not conscious because normal me would never do such a thing. The man is not even somebody that I can even look at. And ever since then, I've been dying in silence. My BP is now 170. They are now recommending BP drugs for me. These people have damaged me.
Okay. Pẹ̀lẹ́, sorry darling, sorry.
Àwọn èèyàn máa yan tán lórí social media pẹ̀lẹ́ sorry darling àwọn náà fẹ́ sọ pé àwọn Sisi Alagbo tán ni àbí they play my fan.
Yeah, you and it's been I'm sure it's been a difficult time for you.
They play.
My other question is, so on the day that you then went to meet them, did you eat or drink anything? Were you substance affected?
They gave me drink. They told me that they just want to chill out. They did not even tell me that they were going to any hotel. I never knew they had other plans because I was she still made me feel safe with after everything. So I thought that they were just.
Ní ìtọ́jà pé wọ́n gan ló béèrè pé bo náà wà tán láwọn ń dúró ní car park tó ló ń bọ̀ wá bá wọn o nẹ́kẹ́nẹ̀ tẹ́ẹ̀kẹ́ tó kóra wọn kẹ́ tó kóra yín lọ ilé ìtura.
Out as husband and wife. I even have the video of when they were dancing. I still have it on my Snapchat as where they went to. So they now gave me drink. I will send it to you. They gave me a drink. So I think they spiked my drink. So I was not even feeling myself. Before causing is not something that if I take or I used to feel any type of way because it's not a harsh drink. So that day, the way I felt, I've never felt that way before. I don't even know how I even got to the hotel. I don't even know. I slept till I got to the hotel. These people just took advantage of me, and they have spoiled my life like this. I don't even know where to start from.
Your life is not good.
Can you imagine? Oh, mo bó ṣe dé hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì ikú ìwọ náà ti dínkù nù ikú ni máa ń rìn nú oko ẹ̀pà tí ó lòun ọmọ bẹ́ẹ̀ pàṣẹ ń dẹnu ìwọ náà wọn bó kó ṣe dé díẹ̀ mọ̀ tàn wá ń so.
I'm just starting my life. I don't see let me just go and quote. I'm the firstborn of my parents. This is what my sister wants to say online.
This is my last question, just so other people can engage with you. So after everything happened, did they give you any money? Like what did they say?
They did not give me any money. She did not give me any money. She did not offer me any money. She was only begging me. And I did not answer. She was now telling me that anyway I want to take the husband to, I should take him to go. I was just crying. I was very, very helpless.
Okay, calm down. Oh, yeah, now, what year did this happen? What date?
It happened this year, February this year.
February?
Yes.
So it's just
that was the time I was writing my exams. I was unable to concentrate on my exams.
Okay, fine. The question is that how did you meet Sisi Alagbo? How did you know her?
Yes, I gained admission in Poly Ibadan last year November. So my mom took me to, she wanted to buy apps from Sisi Alagbo. Though I already have where I wanted to stay at Ibadan. So when we now go to Sisi Alagbo's place, she saw me, she was asking that, who is this? My mom told her that she's her daughter. So she said, where am I going to? And with my bag, because I was carrying my load, I just wanted to resume school. So when we now told her where I got accommodation, where my mom's other friend, I wanted to stay at her place initially, she said it's very far, that her place is still closer to the school. And we trusted that we saw her as somebody that is good because the way she welcomed me, and I did not even ask her for accommodation. I didn't ask her. She was one that said, since her place is closer, then I should stay there. I didn't know they had other plans. I didn't know that it's not that I'm just saying that all these videos, this is not the first time. She used to sell it to Arab people. It's just so unfortunate that I'm the one that is.
Can you imagine? Ọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́jú àbí ọ̀bẹ́jú ó ní this is not our first video pé o máa ń tà sí Arab countries ni ṣé ọ̀tán wọ́n láwọn fídíò wọn làwọn Arabu làwọn máa ń lò wọ́n bá fẹ́ jìngàjà àwọn ara wọn fúnra lára wọn ẹ mọ báwọn obìnrin ṣe lo vibrator ẹ mọ táwọn ọkùnrin náà máa ń ṣe so bí so bí so ẹ ti gẹ́ ẹ̀ tiẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ máa gbọ́ lọ.
Starting my life like this, they're going through all this thing. I'm a young girl.
Can I ask you a question?
About issues.
The question is this: what month did you move to their house? Because we have to know that. We want to know the relationship.
November last year, and I didn't even move there fully. I didn't move there fully. I was always, because I have an apartment in Gbodo here, so I'm always up and going because of my business. I finished from last Protect, so I just want to go and further more at Ibadan, and it is not even my wish. My mom just wants to force me to finish before my younger sister finishes, because my younger sister is already in 300 level, and we have finished my.
Let's just be sincere to ourselves, sis. Your reaction, or how could I put it? The way you were looking when you were doing it, to me is your consent also.
No, it's not my consent.
God bless this woman. Ó túmọ̀ sí pé mi àkàndọ̀ra kòǹkò kì í sòmùgọ̀, and I swear to Almighty God mi listening to sí dé bí báyìí mo kàn sáà gbọ́ pé confession ẹ̀ mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ lò ní. Reality ni nà ó gbogbo akọ́lòmùgọ̀ nà ó kálá wo fídíò yẹn ní ìsẹ́ èèyàn lè máa guess pé ó dẹ̀ ṣe o kàn manipulate ọmọ ẹ o ó ṣe kàn play intelligence ẹ o ó ṣe kó jẹ́ pé wọ́n rí lọ́mọdé náà ṣe yan jẹ o but tí ń tèmi rí yẹn o consent yẹn wà ń bẹ̀ or agree total agreement ń bẹ bóyá tí wàá kọ́kọ́ rìkọ́ọ̀dù kan tán padà tán kọ́kọ́ delete o bóyá eléyìí tó ti react sí o but eléyìí tán rìkọ́ọ̀dù yìí no reaction. It was total enjoyment because you were money, nothing else.
Me into it, and I was they broke my dream.
Ojú yẹn ò háì lójú tèmi o sá o mi ò gbà pọ̀ háì.
Okay, calm down.
It's not my consent.
So are you drunk? Are you high? Are you drunk when they are doing the video?
Yes, I was very weak, and I still questioned her because when I saw the camera, I questioned her. She said, no, that she's not saving it, that they just want to watch it together.
Were doing whatever they were doing. Did you at any time blank out? Did you blank out at any time? Were you fully awake?
Yes. I told them. That was when they now assured me that they are not saving any video, and it was not even my consent. It was still under threat.
Okay, and did you at that moment realize that they were taking a video?
Yes, I realized, and I stopped her.
And did you at any point say no?
Yes, I said no. I said no to it. It was not my consent at all. I did not agree to it at all.
And when you said no, what was the woman's response? Is this Sisi Alagbo? What was her response?
She has threatened me before, so she made me feel like she's not saving it. That why would she save it? That she's matured than this. And I still make sure that they deleted it before. After everything, when I...
No, you didn't get my question. Did you at any point say no to the encounter, the sexual encounter?
No, it was not my consent. Yes, I said no. I didn't agree to it.
All right, sorry, Falashade. Sorry, thank you. I also asked one question. My question is that before this scenario happened, have they ever told you about this TV song before? Did you accept or not? So what's it there? So what TV song will you be?
I did not accept. That's why I said they threatened me that since they've told me about it, I must do it and I must follow up with her husband.
Kí ni wọ́n fi threat yẹn? Kí ni wọ́n fi threat yẹn? So láṣìírí sí wọn lọ́wọ́ ni. Àmọ́ láwọn pa ọ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn bá sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ níjọ́ kan, àwọn ọ̀dẹ̀ sùn mọ́jú. Bọ́ bá jẹ́ pálẹ̀ wọ́n sọ. Bọ́ bá dẹ́ jójú mọ́mọ́ ni ọ̀dẹ̀ sọ pé o ti gbọ́n tán wí. Èèyàn sì sáré lọ rẹ̀ pàǹtà. O sì ní padà wọlé mọ́. Eléyìí ò nira. Nígbà ìsepọ̀ ò lẹ́bi rárá. Àbílẹ̀ ọ̀bá tí ìṣú láti Ìbàdàn dẹ́ko èèyàn ó dé Kòròdú o mọ́tò Kòròdú straight. Ó wà ní Ìbàdàn. Káná fi kú dẹ́rù bà ọ́. And again kí náà fẹ́ fi kú dẹ́rù bà ọ́ fún. Ọ̀rẹ́ rà bóyá kò náà ń gbé bóyá Ìbàdàn náà ń gbé jáde àwọn náà mọ̀ wàhálà lé ayé tiwọn. So náà ń threaten kí náà ń threaten fún. So láṣìírí lọ wọn náà fi ń threaten pé àwọn ò tú ọ síta ọ̀tọ̀ ọba ti gba nǹkan táwọn sọ o. That is number one. Secondly nìkan máa fi kú pé àwọn ọba yí ẹ̀jẹ̀ o àwọn eléyìí ò ní jiyàn ní moment yẹn. Wọ́n dẹ̀ jẹ́ kán sọ̀rọ̀ ó sọ pé kò sí problem gbà yẹn ẹ mọ̀ wọ́rí àjọ máa ṣe kò sí wàhálà time wo lá ṣe ìwọ ọmọ ọlọ́mọ ó sì bí ibi ń pa mí o gàrí ń bẹ́ńlí kọ̀ sẹ́pà o ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń sáré rẹ̀ pàǹtà. Ó dẹ̀ jáde ó dẹ̀ tẹkọ̀ létí bó o lówó lọ́wọ́ ó ṣe ní lówó lọ́wọ́ gan bó o bá lówó lọ́wọ́ gan láti bus stop àwọn èèyàn send owó sí ọ. Bó bá parọ́ bus stop gan pé yẹ kú wọn ránṣẹ́ sí ọ gan àwọn èèyàn ò fún ọ mọ́tò ọ̀fẹ́. Ìyá máa parọ́ orú ẹ̀ láti escape. Mú mi olódì rẹ lọ́yẹ̀sẹ̀ kú báyìí o kò sì sówó kankan lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀ wọ́n ní kó máa wọlé àwọn ẹgbẹ́ ààyè ìyá sọ́ọ̀rì pẹ̀lẹ́ sọ́gbọ́ ṣé Kòròdú lọ́n lọ kò sí wàhálà wọnú ń sanwó mọ́tò ẹ̀ ó dé Kòròdú gbogbo àwọn àwíjàre ò wọ́ọ̀kì náà.
ó fi kúrò ní ẹ̀gbá yẹn.
And you want to threaten me already that bí mo ṣe ti gbọ́ yìí, I cannot go and say no because if I say no, they are public figure and they are dragging her online that she does not want any dragging.
Can you imagine gbogbo ilé ò jẹ́ ní ọ̀nà ọ́ bọ́bọ́ ìbéèrè sensible question ìgbà tán ti threaten ẹ̀ kí ló dé tó kó jáde kó lé wọn ọ̀nà ti ìgbà tán ti fi 3 sum lọ ẹ́ kí ló dé tó jáde kó lé wọn ọ̀nà ti threaten already and they are public figure kí náà fi threaten ẹsẹ̀ gangan lèmi fẹ́ mọ̀ kí náà threaten ẹ lé lórí. ó rí o ìyẹn náà ń pè ní threaten àwọn àfimú ẹ̀dánrin ìyẹn náà ń pè ní threaten àwọn àgbẹ̀mí ẹni ìyẹn náà ń pè ní threaten àwọn àtàṣírí ẹni ìyẹn náà ń pè ní threaten.
And I'm sure that these people use jazz on me because she's always threatening her workers and everybody.
So Yorùbá tó ìtì.
Ṣé TikTok la wà ní?
Yes, so Yorùbá wọ́n yẹn ń gbọ́ ẹ̀.
Mọ́mí mi máa gbọ́.
Mọ́mí ẹ̀ ṣé mọ́mí ẹ̀ wà lórí TikTok ni?
My dear, let me tell you
something.
something. Your video is all over already. So mommy and Mary already. Mommy and them are going. So
Because I'm not even
You will talk to your mom. Just calm down about that. We'll talk to your mom. Calm down. You are not the first. You are not the first.
I don't want my name to be outside. I'm very, very suicidal.
I'm the one calling you now. I'm the one calling you. Nobody knows your page. Nobody knows anything about you. I'm going to ask you.
My voice.
What's not the video for right?
Me ò lè wo. I've not seen it ever since.
Oh, see the video.
Man,
Man, send this here.
I'm not send this to me. No, I've seen my face already, so no need, no serious. I can't go and kill myself after I see the video again.
That means you have seen the video now.
Mm-hmm.
If you have seen how do you see yourself? How do you see
That's
yourself?
just a screenshot of her face.
This screen is my face to me.
The question I want to ask is this. Sorry, everybody, 1 minute.
Oh my God.
The question I want to ask is this. After that scenario, what was your action?
So what's
I was crying. I was very, very angry. And when she saw that I was crashing out, she now told me that anywhere I want to take them to, I should take them to that. Last, the man is going to sell his camera car to sort me. I was just crying that what's his camera car compared to my name that you guys have tarnished? She, won't I have more?
àwọn náà ń parọ́ fún báyé ò bàjẹ́ ń tàn ní ayé rẹ ti bàjẹ́ o.
ayé ò bàjẹ́, calm down. Ayé ò bàjẹ́.
ẹkún tó tiẹ̀ ń sun gan crocodile tiẹ̀ lèmi kà sí crocodile tiẹ̀ ni ẹkún tí ò dénú ni ẹkún ojú ayé ni kàn bá sọ pé ó dùn mọ́ nú nísàlẹ̀ ẹnu ẹ̀wọ̀ gangan enjoy yẹ.
Is someone with you right now? So snapper where the kokolo ju snapper where? That your snapper like says between you. Go and throw that sniper that you said is with you. Go and throw it away.
Calm down. Now, the question I want to make sure that she will save and she will not harm herself.
I cannot sleep, I cannot eat, I cannot remember the last time I ate, I cannot function well. My health is a mess. My life is a mess. We don't want to start from. I'm just starting my life now. I'm still married. I don't have anybody. No friends.
Send me your mommy's number.
I don't want to disappoint these people. I don't even want to rub their name into my mess. I just want them to just be on their own.
Do you have evidence of them threatening her?
I don't want to disappoint everybody. I cannot face them again. I cannot face anybody again. Even my friends. Oh, these people have done me to me.
Can you drink water?
I'm in water.
Yeah, drink water.
Take water. Oh, yeah, relax. Okay. Cherry lady, yes. Number one, you need to calm down first. You need to calm down. And then see, you will not be the first and you are not going to be the last. As you are talking right now, àwọn kan ṣì wà tán máa ṣe lálẹ́ yìí náà.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
So please calm down.
That's the
And then if you, all right ma, mo fẹ́ sọ pé instead of okay ma.
ẹ jẹ́ sáré béèrè question kan lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Jọ àǹtí ta ló rìkọ́ọ̀dù Sisi Alagbo àtọkọ ẹ̀?
Àwọn ló fún mi ṣe
Lọ́yà yẹn ti wà bí.
tell me that that's their fantasy.
Can you imagine that? Very vital question. Ta ló rìkọ́ọ̀dù Sisi Alagbo àtọkọ ẹ̀? Ó láwọn náà fóònù ní kámẹ́rà kó n fi rìkọ́ọ̀dù wọn. Ò náà fún wọn. Ìwọ rìkọ́ọ̀dù wọn perfectly. Ẹ lọ wá bí jókòó náà gbogbo akọ́lágọ̀ jàre à.
OBD lórúkọ wọn OBD.
She gave me the phone to record that that's their fantasy. So I'm going to be safe with
Okay, ìwọ lórí rìkọ́ọ̀dù Sisi Alagbo.
She asked me to record them.
Okay.
Mo ní question for
Mo ní question for
ẹ̀gbọ́n òbí dẹ̀ send the question. My dear, so bí màá yẹn ṣe báwọn náà ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ló bá èyí méjèèjì ló bá lò pọ̀ at the same time ní ọjọ́ yẹn.
Who recorded the woman? Ìgbà tó ń bá tàbí sùn ta ló recorded?
Ó sọ pé òun lòún record woman yẹn ó dáhùn ó fún òun ní fóònù àbí. So ẹ̀yin méjèèjì jọ wà lórí bed ó jọ ṣe fẹ́ ẹ̀yin méjèèjì at the same time ni àbí. Calm down.
Calm down.
That's why you are here now.
That's why we are here for you. That's why over 12,000 people don't wait at the F5.
I want it to be very anonymous. It makes me very suicidal. Once people start calling me, they love me. I cannot contain this. I'm a very if you know me, you know these things. I don't have strength for all these things at all.
O lápọn bọ̀ o lè gba pọ́nrán o lápọn láti gba pọ́nrán o lápọn o lè hold kámẹ́rà láti rìkọ́ọ̀dù ọkọ̀ Sisi Alagbo àti Sisi Alagbo ń gba tán kó pọ́nrán síra wọn ń dì í o dẹ̀ lápọn ọwọ́ ẹ̀ ò ṣèkì o ọwọ́ ẹ̀ ò gbọ́n o anything ò ṣẹlẹ̀ o sunkún gbà yẹn o but o lápọn láti face society nísìn dey play ọ lápọn ọ gàdá pọn.
Pásítì ẹ̀gbọ́n ọmọ kékeré tó sẹ́ẹ̀tì dì.
Papa, may I come mute for a minute?
Just mute.
Okay, listen, let me tell you. Before we hear from OBD, okay, you're on speaker, see, these emotions you are bringing does not do shit. In case you don't know,
honestly,
you can stay on this live and cry for the next 10 hours. It does not give you the answer that you need.
Honestly.
So it's either you want us to say it and talk about it and we get advice and advise you on the way to move forward and give you all the support we can.
That is
or
it.
You can continue to cry. Oh, you want to rely on Wasukuni? You have more than 5K people listening to you. You are there crying. None of us asked you to do what you did. It was you made the decision to do it.
Of course.
People you want fogun, you know, harass me. There is no.
God bless you, this woman. Ìbànújẹ́ ò ní wọlé ẹ, ò ní ṣòfò tọmọtọmọ. Oh, that is ọ̀rọ̀ nìyẹn now. Mo rò pé gbogbo àtàwà lórí social media wà lọ dẹ̀ ní dìndìnrìn lákàn máa accept anything. Tẹ́ bá ti throw at us. No now. Some of us are intelligent. Àfetí gbọ́rọ̀ a máa digest ẹ̀ ká tó wò pé só rí bẹ́ẹ̀ àbí ò rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Má pè wá lọ́dẹ̀ náà gbogbo ẹkún tó sun yìí ò fẹ́ jẹ́ ká rí di ẹjọ́. Ẹkún tó sun yìí kì í ṣe ẹkún tó dénú. Ẹkún pretense ni. Ìwọ ti mọ̀ pé ó ti lu jára already. Mi ò fẹ́ kí mọ́mì mi ó gbọ́, ò fẹ́ kán dárúkọ mọ́mì mi sí. Ńgbò ni mọ́kú ò ní kú. Mọ́kú ọ̀ma wo ó ń bọ́ pa. Mọ́kú ọ̀mọ̀ wẹ̀ ó fẹ́ bọ́ lòkun. Ńjọ́ wá ni mọ́kú ò ní kú. Ṣé ò ní bòkun lọ? Èyàn bọ̀ nú okùn òkú wà á dá padà bí okùn ó gbé lọ bí ó ti ẹ̀ dá padà yóò ti kọ́kọ́ gbẹ̀mí lẹ́nu ẹ̀ náà.
Somebody in your family that you thought you could go and reach out to, and we're not faulting you. You've made the mistake, but let us hear what we can hear and see how we can help you. Don't come here and be crying.
Honestly.
Break yourself and check a rọrọ tọ.
Torí gbogbo ẹkún yẹn, torí má sunkún, gbogbo ẹkún yẹn kò move ìwé mi yìí o.
Kò move èmi náà.
Kò move.
God bless you people now. Tí n bá ra àwọn èèyàn tó lọ́gbọ́n lórí màá rí gbogbo ẹ̀ ò move èmi náà. N ló jẹ́ sọ pé ayé ẹ̀ ti bàjẹ́ káwọn sọ pé ayé ẹ̀ ò tí bàjẹ́ irọ́ ni ayé ẹ̀ ti bàjẹ́ ayé ẹ̀ ti ruin.
Ìgbọ́n ìjẹ́ bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ sà lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó ti sọ so far. What's your advice, sir?
Nǹkan tí mo máa sọ lélẹ́yìí.
Lọ́ọ̀yà rèé o.
Gbogbo ẹkún tó ń sun nísìnyí
àti issue petition tó ṣẹ̀sọ́ pé òun lọ kọ will be tagged as afterthought. Tí incident bá ṣẹlẹ̀ ní February tí egbèrègbè tí kò kúrò níbẹ̀ kó gba police station lọ wípé àwọn kan invite me fún sit out. I ended up meeting myself in the hotel tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣe nǹkan tó ń ṣe sí mi tó ṣe jẹ́ pé ìgbà tí fídíò ṣe lù já orí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì nísìnyí ló ṣe wá ń try láti come up with all this kind of insinuation to a reasonable extent wọ́n máa take care wípé afterthought ni and mo fẹ́ pray wípé like I said nígbà tí mo bá madam abẹ́fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan wípé kó má sí consensual communication kankan láàrin wọn prior to now. It is their word against her word. Tó bá di pé wọ́n eventually in fact.
2 against 1, yes.
Má jẹ́ pé lóòótọ́ kò tí ẹ ṣọ̀rọ̀ 2 against 1. Èèyàn mẹ́wàá lè gang up against èèyàn kan but tí wọ́n bá ní verifiable fact láti fi push argument. Ẹnìkan ẹ máa jẹ lọ but tí line of communication bá wà either voice call yìí kí bí àgbà tó pè pé alágbájá tó jẹ́ pé ẹni tó ti mọ̀ wípé bóyá ó ti ṣe rẹ́ẹ̀rí àbí tẹ́ pọ́ mọ̀ wípé ó rìn ní bèbè ẹ̀. Because ọlọ́pàá fúnra wọn nígbà míì tó bá fẹ́ investigate èèyàn tó bá gbọ́ pé èèyàn kan pé ó ń ta igbó àbí ó ń ra gbó wọ́n lè set ẹ̀ up wípé kéèyàn kan lọ ra gbó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ láti fi mọ̀ wípé kíni kan tó ń pè ní entrapment nìyẹn. Kò dẹ̀ lè wá sí police station láti kò lè wá sí court kó a máa gbé wípé òun ò ní intention láti ta gbó wọ́n force òun ta ni. Tó bá jẹ́ pé wọ́n bá ní agodo ibi tó ti ń tagbó níbi tó jẹ́ wípé ìbùngún bí táwọn onígbó máa wà ní jẹ́kíbẹ̀ náà ti seduce ẹ̀ wípé kó tagbó fáwọn tó dẹ̀ ta wọ́n entrap ẹ̀ wọn kò ní argument láti fi exonerate rẹ̀. If there have been prior communication between her àti àwọn people yìí either the wife or the husband in any way tó jẹ́ wípé bóyá there is that insinuation wípé lágbájá yìí ọmọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó lè ṣe threesome ó lè ṣe gbá ó lè ṣàwó lè kó wá bá aṣa sùn tí wọ́n dẹ̀ wá rèé wá pé kó wá bá wọn ṣe tó dẹ̀ ṣe. Ìgbà tó sọ pé wọ́n ń béèrè question lọ́wọ́ ẹlẹ́kan wípé ṣé ó sọ fún ọ pé òun ò ṣe obviously kò lè sọ fún ọ pé òun ò sọ fún ọ pé òun ò ṣe gbogbo àwọn questions yẹn kọ́ ni nǹkan tó máa tí mo bá choose láti enter into the toga of a lawyer kí n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bí ní question repeatedly ẹ rí wípé gbogbo irọ́ tó bá wà nínú ọkàn ẹ̀ ló máa expose síta but I will not want to be the one láti go into that detail because there is no basis for it. Having will the sentiment of wípé òun wà suicidal àbí kíníkan ní comment section tẹ́lẹ̀ mo ti ń fẹ́ máa sọ̀rọ̀ wípé argument wà coherent there is incoherent arrangement but mo decide láti pull back mo ṣe fi ní kí n advice ẹ̀ so gbogbo ẹkún tó ń sun yìí kọ́ ni solution sí problem tó ti create fúnra ẹ̀ because orí oko ikú nílẹ̀ kò tó lọ gbé ẹ̀pà sí and that is the basic truth. But the first thing first tó ní láti ṣe if you have gone to the police station to lodge complaint like you rightly claim on this call go back to that place ASAP láti lọ sọ fún ọ wípé.
They asked me not to come online. I didn't even know said the case is going to spoil. I mean, I need justice. I don't want anything to happen to
Justice,
this whole thing.
Police station bolo lọ.
No, you cannot expose it because I don't want the people to go and counter petition me.
You are not ready, honestly.
They don't need to go to the same police station. To counter petition. What are you?
Well, akandọ́ra wíkóńkó a nítorí àwíjàre kí tọ́ tán lẹ́nu jàre ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ ti gbọ́ yìí o ẹ̀yin ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n ẹni tó sọ̀rọ̀ òmùgọ̀ ni èmi tí mo sọ òmùgọ̀ ni mí ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń gbọ́ yìí tẹ́ ń wò yìí ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n lẹ́yìn ẹ̀yin náà bá wa digest ẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ tọmọbìnrin yìí sọ so real so correct sẹ́yìn náà wo fídíò yẹn tẹ́ ẹ bá wo máa employ yín kẹ́ lọ wò ó kẹ́ wá padà judge ẹ̀ pé so ó wà consensual àbí ó wà consensual so mọ̀ nípa ẹ̀ àbí ó mọ̀ nípa ẹ̀ so tẹ́ lọ́rùn àbí ó tẹ́ lọ́rùn tí ó bá tẹ́ lọ́rùn kò ní mọ̀ yáta òun náà ṣe òun náà yáta ó túmọ̀ sí pé ó bá lára mu so justice tó ló ń wá ní ìsìn mi ọ̀mọ́ o mi ríru justice bẹ́ẹ̀ rí o Kennedy òun ni pé ẹnìkan mú kámẹ́rà dání ó rìkọ́ọ̀dù owó àtọkùnrin ìwọ náà mú kámẹ́rà dání ó rìkọ́ọ̀dù ọkùnrin yẹn àtẹniyẹn ilé ẹjọ́ tó fẹ́ gbé lọ mi tí mọ̀ tó fẹ́ fi sọ pé wọ́n trap ẹni kò tí ì yé mi ó mú kámẹ́rà dání ó rìkọ́ọ̀dù wọn successfully ọwọ́ rẹ̀ ọ̀gbọ́n ọwọ́ rẹ̀ ò shake ó reject ẹ pé tẹ bá fẹ́ rìkọ́ọ̀dù ara yín o ẹ gbé sórí iṣẹ́ àmbẹ̀ yẹn o ẹ gbé sórí stand ńbẹ̀ yẹn o ó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ mú tripod dání o ó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ ṣe fúnra yín o fúnra lára ẹ ló rìkọ́ọ̀dù ẹ̀ ó túmọ̀ sí pé ọjọ́ tẹ gbogbo yín lọ́rùn ni and again àwọn conversation tó ń jáde ó túmọ̀ sí pé consent ẹ̀ ń bẹ ń bẹ so you go further you expose yourself more gbogbo ọ̀para rẹ ni ọ̀gbẹ̀mí ara rẹ ni wọ́n yọra rẹ lẹ́nu mọ́ ó fẹ́ para rẹ ó sì ní para rẹ Ọlọ́run sì ní jẹ́ ọ̀para rẹ ẹni tí ó bá para rẹ̀ kì í sọ fún èèyàn kankan ẹni tó fẹ́ kán pẹ̀tù sí lọ́kàn kan bẹ̀rùn ni máa ń pò wọ́n para òun ń jánà mọ́tò lẹ́nu kò fẹ́ jánà mọ́tò fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ di mú ni ẹ̀yẹ fílẹ̀ pé ó jánà yọ mọ̀ pé Nàìjíríà ọ̀dà béèyàn bá rí gàrí wà múlẹ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan Ọlọ́run gbàdúrà èèyàn wẹ́ẹ̀ làkàndọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ Awíkonko àjà wà ọ̀rọ̀ Awíkonko àsọ̀rọ̀ lójú ọlọ́rọ̀ ọjọ́ bí eré kì í ṣeré ọjọ́ bí àwàdà kì í ṣàwàdà òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ kì í sọ pé kéèyàn mọ́ sọ lóòótọ́ ni máa ń korò bí ìjogbo pàpà síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ náà òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ náà la gbọ́dọ̀ sọ ọ̀rọ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Sisi Alagbo ó possible kó jẹ́ di ẹ́ndì tèmi ó mú wá nu ó possible kí n tí n bá padà rí nǹkan mi tó tún máa tàn mọ́lẹ̀ sí àwọn nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí mo tún lè mú wá àánú Olódùmarè ò ní fi sílẹ̀ ikú ìpẹ̀tà lójú rẹ̀ ikú ò ní pa àánú Ọlọ́run alààyè yóò wà pẹ̀lú ọmọ yóò wà pẹ̀lú ẹbí yóò wà pẹ̀lú ìdílé yín lágbára Ọlọ́run.